Our employees have been dealing with a lot of changes since COVID-19 hit. We were trying to find things and products and tools that would make it easy for them to be able to self-check on a daily basis. Before we had Passport, we were in the process of developing what I would say was more of a complex process to roll out to our employees. We weren't aware of the various tools that were in the marketplace. We were looking at initially creating a type of survey that we were going to send out to all employees. But one of our concerns with the survey was the ability for the employee to access the tool, the steps that they would have to get to the tool, and then where the data was going to be secured and saved. But at the end of the day, what made our decision on Passport was where the information got stored. One of our favorite features of Passport was that they could use their personal device, and that personal device is the only location where the information got stored. One of the other things that was important to us from the ease of use was that when we're going to different facilities, the requirements change, sometimes daily, sometimes in the next hour. So having a system and a tool that we could have employees access from their phones was extremely interesting to us. Our safety department is responsible for making sure that all the questions are updated, and therefore the employee doesn't have to spend a lot of time going and looking up the self-screening questions that may change. And so it probably took us a matter of seconds, I feel like, to get set up. There wasn't a long implementation process. We sent in a request, I believe, with the administrators for the tool. We were set up. Once they downloaded it on their phones, we've seen a huge increase in the utilization of using the tool. What they appreciate the most of using the Passport app is just the ease of use and adoption that we've had within the company. When they're going to facilities, particularly some of our client locations that may not have a process in hand, they feel confident in knowing that we have the feature like the Passport app that's being used across our company for any interaction that we're having with leaving our homes to go to our work sites or our client facilities. I think even some are using the Passport app in their personal life, not just on the locations that we have for work. We are always looking for ways to keep our employees safe, as well as simplify processes and make it easy for our employees to access information and help them just stay protected. A Passport for us was frankly a no-brainer.